Hi, good morning. This is Thursday, September 17th. And so be sure and look at the agenda that's posted in your ELA Google Classroom. So we're going to read just two chapters, and they're pretty short, chapters 22 and 23 today, and answer questions. Make sure that you restate the question. So if it asks, how did Brian feel as he was going down the river? You would restate that by saying, as Brian was going down the river, he felt, and then go ahead and put your answer. Remember, restating counts for 1 point, and the correct answer counts for a point. So short answers are always worth 2 points. Okay, we're getting near the end of our book, so tomorrow we'll finish the book and then take a test on it. Today we're going to move on to 1.2 in your social studies textbooks. So again, like you did with 1.1, you have that posted as a Google form, and you're going to fill that in and then submit when you are finished. Okay? If you got any questions for today about anything that we're doing or have done, then you just need to text me or email me and let me know, and I'd be happy to help you. Okay? All right, so have a great day. And again, if you have questions, make sure that you let me know. Anything that we've done this week that you have not completed, you probably need to complete at least by the weekend or over the weekend so you don't get too far behind. So make sure you're looking every day. Make sure that you're looking at the video that I'm sending you. Make sure that you're looking at the agenda that's posted. And then all of your assignments that are virtual, like a remote type assignment, they will be posted in either ELA, whatever hour you're in, and I believe all remote people are in the second hour. And then everything for social studies would be posted under Google Social Studies. Okay? All right. You have a great day. And again, email me if you have questions. Thanks.